cleaning the grounds a real adventure. These powerful containers easily handle leaves, debris, and even small branches, leaving behind a perfectly clean surface. Mount them on a tractor or other vehicle and watch them absorb all the mess. Imagine how quickly and easily you can keep your park, garden, or field clean. Admit it, would you like to try this miracle vacuum cleaner in action? Want to explore off the beaten track terrain with unparalleled ease? This is made possible by the EcoLog 500 series, a forestry harvester that provides outstanding ground clearance from 4 inches to almost 4 feet, thanks to an innovative pendulum arm system. The machine's ability to raise and lower the chassis allows it to overcome any obstacles from logs to large stones. The combine's advanced mobility allows it to easily maneuver on steep slopes, making it an ideal choice for challenging forest conditions. Can pick more ripe fruit with each pass. A larger tunnel, wider neck, and wider belts improve throughput and product storage, even with high-tonnage varieties. And to increase travel speed, the manufacturer used a new high-efficiency ground drive. Capel, this star of European heavyweights, is back in the spotlight. Not just like that, but thanks to the first appearance of the Chevrolet Camag K25 vehicles. In the port of Dunkirk, like on the runway, they confidently demonstrate their capabilities, moving steel beams weighing 140 tons. Imagine this show. These giants slowly and majestically move a load comparable to the weight of a blue whale. Capel doesn't just transport weights, they do it with the grace of true professionals. Trilo TL23 are vacuum containers that make click gripping features. The Aussies module lifter ensures that every module is installed flawlessly and safely. Imagine the task of transporting key industrial equipment parts weighing about 242 tons over a distance of more than 220 yards. Would you say it's difficult to accomplish? But with Belmair's Yankee dryer, nothing's impossible. The task at hand was completed in just 7 evenings using a specialized transport system. Properly organized logistics ensured minimal downtime in production and perfect preservation of the quality of the equipment during the difficult transportation. Oxbow designed the 7450 as a high-performance top-loading harvester for gardeners with high yields and large bushes. The machine can harvest many crops, including blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. With the new Dynorotor Max picking system, the 7450 mode is quick and easy, allowing operators to easily switch between tasks. Compact and reliable, Touchfund machines provide high productivity with easy operation, making them the ideal choice for any forestry operation. The Aussies module lifter is not just solar panel installation equipment. It's the key to the future where every installation happens with ease and precision. With its unique, soft-hanging legs that allow for perfect movement of the vacuum cup by 4 inches, you masterfully control the positioning of the panels. This capability, along with the innovative forks for smooth placement, gives your team the freedom to fine-tune angles and heights with incredible precision. With the 325-pound payload capacity and 360-degree passive rotation, installation becomes easier and more efficient, even in extreme temperatures from -36 degrees Fahrenheit to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. With battery autonomous operation and automatic tasks. This attachment is designed to be used with a variety of different machines, including excavators and skid teeters, making it a versatile addition to any forestry operation. Well, now you're looking at the self-propelled double-row cabbage harvester for industrial processing from ASA Lift. This modernized machine is equipped with a proven and durable feeding unit. Driven torpedoes guide the cabbage to the feeding belts, which then grab the grown product by the stem and guide it to the specially hardened cutting unit. Fast, convenient, simple, and most importantly, reliable. Woodworking Machines RCA 480 models Joy Plus and Joy from the Touchfund Company are real assistants in forestry. Equipped with advanced technology, these machines turn logs into firewood with incredible efficiency and minimal energy consumption. Conversion from transport to work mode. With a digging depth of up to 5 feet, it's like a shark among fish in the construction world. Tired of hard work? Entrust it to the trencher, which will not only make your work easier, but will also add a pinch of fun to every excavation turn. Fence Solver is a robotic sewing control system and accurate accounting. The task of the Solver system is the precise planning, control, and documentation of corn sowing with the help of integrated robotics units using cloud technologies. Satellite navigation and a data management system in the cloud allow you to work around the clock with constant access to all data. The Cut Grapple Woodcracker CS780 is a powerful and versatile forestry attachment that is designed to make quick work of even the toughest woodcutting and log. The PD10R works non-stop, ensuring fast and efficient project completion. Don't believe a machine can change your workflow? Give the PD10R a chance to prove it in practice. How would you demolish an old bridge? Well, if you have Epiroc's CB7500 concrete breaker, simply align it and activate it. This powerful tool turns a seemingly impossible task into a beginner's rebus. It turns even the most powerful concrete structures into dust. Just look at how these giants easily dismantle the bridge, leaving behind only memories of it. Who knew saying goodbye could be so impressive? Here is the almighty trencher, the true hero of earthworks. Capable of working with tractors from 60 to 100 horsepower, this jack of all trades is ready to take on trenching like no other on a tablet or phone. According to the developers, EOX means electric bull. The company is specially chosen for the name of this type of animal, which is actively used in agriculture. The transmission of the machine and the implement holder is electric. The technique is powered by a rechargeable battery. To increase the range or operating time, there is already onboard a range extender, a power source that generates energy to recharge the battery pack during operation. With four-wheel steering, the turning radius is 31.5 feet, and the track width is adjustable from 7.4 to 10.5 feet. When it comes to driving piles, the Vermeer PD10R knows no equal. This pile driver is a true virtuoso in the world of construction. With its excellent automated control system and powerful engine, it drives piles into the ground with surgical precision. Forget about coffee breaks. Pavelli Custom Trailers presents a low loader troll, a semi-trailer designed for transporting oversized and heavy loads. With a load capacity of up to 200 tons, this semi-trailer can handle loads that would stop conventional vehicles. A special feature is a welded platform without sides and a self-steering second axle, ensuring ease of maneuvering. Additional features include hot dip galvanizing for corrosion resistance, hydraulically lowering ramps for easy loading, rear ramps with dual hydraulic extensions, and 2 hydraulic winches for ease of operation. But the remote control and WABCO smartboard system make controlling the troll convenient and safe. H2-Track EOX 175 is a diesel-electric tractor that does not necessarily need to sit directly in the cab. The operator can control the machine via a special application. The CAT 6090 is a hydraulic excavator designed for use in mining and quarry operations. This powerful machine is equipped with advanced features that make it ideal for excavating large volumes of rock and earth quickly and efficiently. The hydraulic system is designed to provide precise and controlled movement of the boom and arm, making it easy for operators to navigate the excavator and position it accurately for digging. Who says stump removal has to be slow and tedious? With the Hurricane TRX and its 250 horsepower John Deere engine, it's like you're in turbo mode. This machine doesn't just grind stumps, it does it at a speed that will only make you blink once. Imagine this, long rows of stumps disappearing in minutes, and your yard or landscape project is already waiting for new creations. And yes, it's also ideal for residential areas where you need to clear a space quickly and neatly. Together, you can convert post-harvest stumps into window stumps at a rate of 20 to 40 acres per day with 2 tractors, 1 stump remover, and 1 rotary rake. Convenient, easy, and very productive. The HEM 593R Cobra is your ideal choice for large-scale branch chopping jobs up to 22 inches. With an automatic transmission optimized for continuous forward motion, this machine guarantees driving comfort and efficiency. The new Easy-2 control system ensures easy and convenient operation, while the centrifugal fan evenly distributes all shredded material. In addition, a professional lighting package, Easy Light, and tools are available to simplify every task. So friends, the Cobra truly transforms branch shredding by making the process fast and comfortable.